I picked it up in Wisconsin. It delivered in Fort Worth.
Oh, okay.
Yo, Nick.
1,100 miles.
Wait a minute, Nicky. You
Yeah.
ship cars?
For a living, I have 18, 19 years now. I'm an auto transport broker.
Oh my God! You shipped my fucking car from New York to Florida.
Really? Your voice did sound familiar.
You fucking guys were fighting with some younger guy who was trying to get in the middle of it that time. You said he taught you everything you knew about shipping cars. I still got the fucking contract in my box.
What's
Well,
that? Put it in the back chat, name of the company.
I'll
How
text
cool
it
is
to
that?
Yeah, text it to
You
me.
guys,
because I'm
That's
Nick
cool,
Dink
man.
and I know the voice. You were with your friends watching an MMA fight when I was looking for my fucking car.
It's possible. It's very possible.
I remember some
Wait,
guy
you guys
that
were
you
thinking
knew
you knew each
who was
other?
about your age, a little. He was running the same business and tried to get the fucking deal to ship the cars.
How many years
Yeah,
ago was it long listening here, though?
It was in Champions Gate. So let me see. It was
But cutthroat business, dude. Cutthroat, man.
about 2015.
I was definitely doing it then. I started in 2006.
Oh my God!
Wouldn't that be something?
I know what it is. Didn't you have a friend that you had a fight with that was shipping cars as well?
It's possible.
Is it an enclosed van or is it open? If it's towing,
I
I'm
want
clear.
to ship my. You're a broker. You didn't have.
Yeah, I do
to
both. I do open and close. Yep.
Right, you're a broker.
I charge a
Oh,
middleman
you're a
fee.
broker. Okay, you're the